If you're like me, tired of uncertainty about financial future and ready to take control of your retirement, join me on this journey of earning money online. I'll never forget that sinking feeling, wondering if my super was enough to live the retirement I desire and deserve in my golden years after working so hard. And the statistics, they're sobering. 23% of people believe they won't have enough in super to get by in retirement. 27% don't even know how much super they have. And only 17% believe their super will be enough to live off. For 2 decades, I traveled the world, consulting for 5-star hotels until COVID brought everything to a halt. Suddenly my savings dwindled and retirement felt like a distant dream. But then I discovered a solution. Learn new skills, build your online business, and secure the retirement you deserve. Click the link below to learn more and join our community of mentors today. Your future starts now. An automated online business, it's not just about making money, it's about reclaiming your freedom. With an online business, we can even earn income while sleeping, enjoying our golden years without financial stress. Click the link below to learn more and join our community of mentors. Your fun starts now. Click the Learn More button.